Hi there, welcome back to our channel. This time we're taking you on a cabin tour on the MSC Seaside, where we sailed round trip from Miami in May 2026, staying in a deluxe balcony. This was our home for 4 nights as we sailed to the Bahamas, stopping in Nassau and also MSC's private island, MSC Ocean Cay Marine Reserve. Here is a gentle reminder of the social media channels you can find us on. Aside from YouTube, we are on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. So here we are. Welcome to our cabin 10215, located in the mid to aft section on deck 10 on board MSC Seaside. I will tell you that we were announced that our cabins were ready, but upon first entry, it wasn't ready to the required standards. So we did have to explain to the cabin steward that it needed to be looked at and re-cleaned. Anyhow, as you can see here, some storage space. This is accessed behind the sofa bed, which is a single sofa bed in the room for a third person. This cabin sleeps only 3 people. Other cabins at other categories on the deluxe balcony side can sleep up to 4. That is either a double sofa bed or the Pullman beds that come down from the ceiling or on the sides. This can be set up as a twin configuration or as a double. The bed is located right next to the door that leads onto the balcony. This has a table and 2 chairs that are situated lower down. And the cabin also has a great blackout blind option, as well as a curtain too. As you can see, it's quite spacious. We actually prefer the bed to be closer to the door so that we've got some more room to walk around. Here is the ensuite cabin. A nice size, especially for the shower, which is a walk-in, and also a vanity area. There is plenty of storage in here. Provided in the shower is hair and body wash and also hand soap. The shower was relatively powerful and it does have a couple of settings. A large towel, hand towel and flannels were provided for each of us, and there was also a towel for the floor. Need any more towels at any time, you can ask for these, and the standard rules apply on the floor to clean and on the hooks to keep them. Lots of information is provided in the cabin, such as the breakfast order, the minibar pricing and also the daily schedule, along with the information about the pool towels, which you do get changed up at the pool deck or by your cabin steward. This is the TV, and it had a good array of programme channels for you to watch. If staying in your cabin and watching a movie is your thing, there are lots of films on demand on the TV. We particularly like having the map and the bridge cam to see where we're going. Here is the minibar. A couple of those are what we brought on board, but the main bits along the bottom are what's provided. The prices are not too bad and around the same sort of prices that you can get in the bars. As you can see, USB charging units are available in the cabin, along with the European plug sockets, predominantly because these are Italian ships, but also the American sockets too. There is a hairdryer built into the drawer on the unit, and it wasn't too bad. Oh dear, what's happening here? I'll tell you what, our neighbours who had a jacuzzi bath on their balcony decided to add product and make their own bubbles. We were located on the port side, and the best part of having a balcony for us is to see the sail outs and the sail ins. It is spectacular, especially when sailing from Miami. Something that we always like to do is see the sail out from our balcony and just chill out. There were certainly some signs of wear and tear, especially on the handrail of the balcony and also some of the rust, but on the whole it wasn't too bad. Here we are sailing out of Nassau. And the next morning, arriving into Ocean Cay, MSC's Marine Reserve. This was 7 AM, so nice and early to see the beauty of the island. The lighthouse light show was fantastic to watch this on our balcony, and also the beach party too. So that's a wrap on our deluxe balcony cabin on board MSC Seaside. Thanks for joining us on another video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we look forward to sharing more videos with you very shortly. We also have a back catalogue sharing all of our adventures that we have been filming for the past nearly 2 years, so please take a look at that too, and bear us in mind if you'd like any quotations for your travels around the world.